Happykids TV.
Hey everybody, it's Maria from Happykids, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Play-Doh seashell. I think seashells are so cool because they're different sizes, different shapes. Each one is unique, just like you. Here's what you need to get started. You need white, pink, and orange Play-Doh. Let's get started. First, let's start by combining all three Play-Doh colors. Now we're going to make the shape of the seashell. Here's our little seashell. Wow, it's so cool. It kind of makes me want to wish that I'm at the beach right now picking up my own seashells. Do you ever make creations with your seashells? Wow, me too. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Be sure to come back to see what I'm creating next time here on Happy Kids. See you later. Hey everybody, it's Maria, and today we are going to be making an 80s pop star. Here's what you need. You need a doll, orange Play-Doh, black Play-Doh, white Play-Doh, a rubber band to hold her hair up, a Play-Doh rolling pin, and knife. But if you don't have either of these, that is okay. You can just ask a parent's permission to use a real one. Let's get started. Of course, every 80s rock star needs a high ponytail, so that is what we're going to be doing first. After you are completed with the high ponytail, then add a base to her feet so she can stand up all by herself. We are on to making the shirt, which I am going to be making an orange color. Just roll out the Play-Doh and then cut out a rectangle. Now, apply the piece of Play-Doh on the top half of her. She's looking great, but I think her shirt should be a tank top. So now we are just going to roll out some small black straps to put around her shoulders. On to making the bottom half, which we are going to be making a black skirt with an animal print design on it. First, just roll out your color of Play-Doh and cut it into a rectangle. It's time to wrap her skirt around her waist. I'm thinking of a cheetah print, so now I am just going to be rolling out little orange balls and shaping them to look like cheetah prints. Feel free to do any other animal design that you want. I just decided to do a cheetah. There's just one more thing that our 80s pop star needs, and it is a microphone for her to sing her beautiful voice into. All you have to do is roll out a piece of black Play-Doh for the base for her to hold on to. Then roll out a small white ball to put on the top. Apply the microphone to her hands so she can start singing. Here is our 80s pop star. Look, mine is even a singer. If you made your 80s pop star, what would you have her do? Play the drums, the guitar, or sing like mine? I hope you enjoyed this video. Come back to see what I'm creating next time.
To watch more videos, please subscribe.
Hey everybody, it's Maria, and today we are going to be making a mermaid costume. All you need to make this is a doll, green Play-Doh, blue Play-Doh, a Play-Doh rolling pin, and a Play-Doh knife. If you don't have either of these, then that is okay. You can just use a real one with a parent's permission. Let's get started. To start off the mermaid, first you are going to have to make a base. The base is going to be the same color as your tail, so it will blend in. After we make the base, we are just going to roll out a piece of Play-Doh and cut it into a rectangle shape. At one of the shorter ends of the rectangle, cut out a V shape. This part will go around the mermaid's waist. Now we're just going to wrap our piece of Play-Doh around the doll's waist. There, she's coming along great. Now we just need to work on the fins. All you need to do is roll up 2 small balls and flatten them out. Then cut them into a leaf shape. Perfect! On to the next one. Apply the fins to the base of your mermaid. And I have a surprise for you what I'm going to add on to the fins, but you're going to have to wait till the end to find out what it is. The tail is looking great. Now we are just going to work on the top half of the mermaid. All you're going to need to do for that is roll out a piece of Play-Doh and cut it into a rectangle. In the middle, cut out 2 little triangles. But you can design your top however you want. Next, I'm going to apply the top half to the mermaid. Wow, our mermaid looks great. Are you ready for the surprise? Here is our mermaid. If you wanted, you can even add some more sparkles to her fins, like this. Great, now she's good to go. And again, you can use any color that you want to make your mermaid. I hope you liked this video. Come back next time to see what I'm making next. Hey everybody, it's Maria, and today on Dress Up Play-Doh, I'm going to be showing you how to turn your doll into a witch for Halloween. Here's what you need to get started. You need a doll, purple Play-Doh, black Play-Doh, a Play-Doh rolling pin, and knife. If you don't have either of those though, then that is okay. You can just use a real one, but be sure to ask a parent's permission first. Let's get started. To start by making our witch, first, I'm going to form a base so she can stand up all by herself. Next, we are going to roll out some purple Play-Doh and cut it into a very big rectangle. This is going to be her dress. But you can use any color that you want. Cute! Now we are just going to trim up any excess Play-Doh that you don't want. Next, we are going to be making her a cape. To make the cape, just roll out some black Play-Doh and cut it into a trapezoid. That's right, one end is longer than the other. Then just wrap it around and connect it to her dress. Now I'm going to add some detail to the dress. To do that, I'm going to be making some spiders. But you can make bats or whatever you want. I am just going to roll some Play-Doh into a ball, make some ropes, cut them down to size, connect them all together, then put it on the dress. I am going to be doing that about 3 times. All witches need hats. To do that, I am just going to take some Play-Doh and form it into the shape of a cone with a solid base to it. Add a little bit more detail by rolling out the same color as your dress into a rope. Then, cutting it down and wrap it around the witch's hat. Just like that, is your witch a good witch or a bad witch? Here is our cute little witch. Wow, doesn't she look amazing? Do you ever dress up for Halloween? That's so cool. I know I dress up every year. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. Be sure to come back to see what I'm making next time on Dress Up Play-Doh.
To watch more videos, please subscribe.